Yesterday I was talking about a blue purple duochrome that I love in the Half Magic palette, and I was asked about other shades like it that give similar vibes. So let me show you some options and compare them. This is the shade Rue from the new Half Magic palette. It is easily my favorite shade in the palette. It has almost an electric blue shift to it. It's incredibly sparkly and it also works well as a highlighting shade. This is the shade Ripple from Colourpop. It's a super shock shadow. Shade-wise, it definitely gives the vibes of Rue, although I will say I don't find it to be quite as sparkly. And to me, it also has a little bit more base pigment, but it definitely will give shade-wise the same vibes. This is Doppler Blue from Terra Moons. It is definitely one of my favorite eyeshadows that I own. This one is more of a blue-leaning shade than a purple-leaning shade, but it does have a hint of purple, and I just love the glow of this one. Also from Terra Moons, we have the shade Revati. I would say shade-wise, this is definitely similar to Rue and Ripple. Maybe just has a little bit more base pigment than Rue. It's super sparkly and it's a gorgeous option. From Clionadh, we have the shade Enamel. This is also a glowy blue purple. I would say it's a little bit more lavender in its base, and it has a bit less magenta than Rue. Next, we have the shade Etched, which is also one of my favorite shades from Clionadh. It's a glowy blue purple, and I would say that this shade is slightly more blue leaning than some of the other shades that I've shown. To me, it reads as a glowy blue with a purple shift. And then I also wanted to compare Rue to a couple of other existing duochromes from Half Magic. The closest is Electric Butterfly. That is in the middle swatch, although I would say it has a touch less purple than Rue. Next to it, I have the shade Blushing Lizard, and it has similar vibes, but to me, it doesn't have really nearly as much purple as the other two shades. Here's what all the shades I just talked about look like swatched to my arm. Let me know in the comments if you love this tone of shade as much as I do. As always, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.